Hi Kipsters! Today we're doing 7th grade E6, Classify Figures of Speech. So again, I'm still looking at figure of speech. In this skill, I'm going to see bolded words, and I'm going to need to decide what kind of figurative language is this. I'm going to click Learn with an Example. Remember, this is there for you in the first question on any skill. So you can look at this again while you're on IXL. This key idea is going to tell you all the figurative language you're going to see in the text. You're going to want to take out your notes from yesterday if you took them and add to them. If you didn't take notes yesterday, it's going to be really important that you know what all of these are. There's a lot of them, and taking notes will not only help you learn them, you'll have something to reference when you see these as you go through this practice. Eventually, you're going to want to have all these definitions memorized and just know that alliteration is the repetition of sounds at the beginning of the sentence. But for now, if this is your first time seeing any of these, alliteration, allusion, idiom, simile, metaphor, onomatopoeia, personification, pun, or verbal irony, you're really going to want to take out that notebook and do a little notes. You don't have to copy everything perfectly. Like for alliteration, I might write alliteration and then repeat start sound. That way when I see alliteration, I know, oh yeah, lucky little lady. All right, let's look at the example. Which figure of speech is used in this text? Throughout the ages, human beings have pondered the many mysteries of the moon. Is it a simile or a metaphor? No, there's nothing really being compared. Is it an allusion or a reference to something well known? No. Is it verbal irony? Are they saying the opposite of what they mean? No. Alliteration? Ooh, many mysteries moon? Yeah, that all starts with the beginning words. It's alliteration. It repeats the M sound. So you're going to want this because as you see verbal irony and alliteration, if you didn't know what those two were, you wouldn't have been able to do it. You're going to have to take these notes and really memorize these different types of figurative language or figurative speech. All right, you are getting to a SMART score of 90. Remember, reread the key idea. Add to your notes as you're going. Read the solution if you got it wrong. It will take you much longer if you just try and click through it, I promise. Get that 90. See you tomorrow.